I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crash.
Like, if you want to see how I got these eyes, please stay tuned for that video. My GGs, so welcome back to my channel with me, your girl Giselle, the one and only. So I am coming to you with a new video. It's gonna be called "Will This Thing Cover Facial Hair?" Yes, you heard me. Will this thing cover facial hair? I'm going to do a product review on a new foundation. Well, it's not that new, but they do have extended shades. And it is the Jouer Essentials High Cover Cream Foundation. I have two colors here. I have Honey Beige and Golden Sand. Honey Beige is more of a olive undertone. Golden Sand is more of a golden undertone. So right now I'm going to use the Golden Sand. I did try this foundation on already, and I did find out that it does work best with a brush, so I will be using the Morphe E6 brush to put it on. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face, and I'm going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream in Peach Light. Looks like this. I do have a bandana on my head to keep it out of my face. So, there we go. Look at it. I'm just gonna put my hair back. Now, I did try this with my primer that I usually use, that I get from Ross, which I love that primer. It's like glue. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm spreading this out evenly. If you want to see how I did this eye look, stay tuned. It will be the next video that is posted. I just wanted to come do this review for you guys. Okay, so I am going to be using a smoothing primer. I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Looks like this. I heard this foundation works very well with smoothing primers, so I have yet to try it with this primer, so I hope it goes well. I'm just making sure I get in all the little nooks and crannies. So I'm basically just putting it on the forehead in the middle of the face. Next, I'm just going to take my fingers and make sure there are no little lumps and stuff, and everything is nice and smooth and spread out evenly. Now, I do have facial hair. A lot of women nowadays have whiskers and mustaches and stuff like that. I suffer from something called PCOS, which is called polycystic ovarian syndrome, which causes you to reproduce stuff like facial hair and body hair and acne. As you can see, you also get dark patches on your face and stuff, and my acne has been really bad right about now. So it says to shake well, so we're gonna shake it up. Shake it up. It does sound very liquidy. It's not a very thick foundation. It's thick on the face, but it's not that thick. And the foundations that I've been loving so far is the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid foundation, which is this, which is nice coverage. So that's something high-end. And another product that I've been loving, drugstore, is the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation, which they are very comparable, except for this got 50 shades now. This got like 10 or less, I believe. And this one is extreme coverage. This one is medium to full. You do have to go over spots, but I love the way it looks on the skin. And that one is thicker than this one. I don't know if you can hear that. Hear that? Okay. So we're gonna take our brush and I'm just gonna add a pump on there. I did use it with this brush already and I did love it. I'm just gonna take it and kind of go like that. And then we're going to, Lord Jesus. This is coverage, y'all. This is coverage. This is extreme coverage. Like, this thing even covers the color of my mole that's right there. This one is a little dark for me right now, this golden tan. But I figure since I'm on camera and, you know, like highlighting and stuff like that, it kind of dim it down. But I usually wear the other one. Like, look at that. Look at that coverage. I do look yellow. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, it is a little dark on me right now. But the other one would have washed me out because it's an olive undertone, but it matches my neck perfectly. But, oh, let's see what left on here, which is not a lot, okay. So I'm going to go in with another pump on there. One pump, dab the excess off. Okay guys, so my camera had died, but yeah, so I haven't done anything. So this is what the foundation looks like. I don't really see any difference using a smoothing primer versus what I had used before. I haven't touched it, but it does have transfer. I haven't set it or anything yet, but okay, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and then I will be right back with my final thoughts. Alright my GiGi, so I'm back with the finished makeup look. I did everything from contour to bronzer to highlight. This foundation does pass, that does this cover up facial hair test. I mean, it'll cover your mama, your brother, your sister. This thing covers up absolutely everything. I don't see any, besides my acne spots that are risen showing through, I do not see any pigmentation or discoloration coming through, which is always a good thing, especially for women who have acne scarring, pigmentation issues, dark spots under eyes, facial hair like myself, you know, do have a shadow. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I have worn this out. It's very matte. It does transfer if you do not set it like I did the test. I pressed my hand very lightly on there. Right now I had set my makeup, so it's not going anywhere. I do not get oily with this foundation, which is a good thing. I am looking a little bit more golden on camera than I am in real life. But I mean, I ain't mad at it. I'm looking like a sun-kissed goddess over here. You know? Yeah, like. So yeah. I hope this video was helpful for you guys on this Jouer foundation. Jouer, no Jouer. No Jouer. Yes, we shouldn't say no Jouer. We should say yes Jouer. Yes Jouer. Now, I see ya. I see ya. Hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and click. Mash it. Mash potato it. Do whatever you gotta do. follow me. I mean, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? I'm not gonna do that sweet little voice because So I hope you guys enjoy. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down.